Hello everyone. Not much to report on the tractor front at the moment because I haven't had time to do it, but it's all been rally, and I've just come back from doing an interview with Radio Cornwall actually to advertise the rally, which is now 1 week away. 7 days from now we're going to be all organised, welcoming people in, welcoming exhibitors, and yeah, we'll do it, no problem. Anyway, you might guess that don't matter how busy you are, sometimes you just get this little urge to do something that you really haven't got time for. But when Ian was here last week, we had to get quite a few tractors out to get to the one I wanted. I wanted to get the roadless out, the roadless 75, because I've got some more tyres for the front and I wanted to fit those. So we got them all out, and then Ian said, well, while we got this many out, we'll try and start the L4 Ford Major, the E27N. So we haven't got time to do it. We haven't really got time to mess about with it, but of course we did. And we haven't started that tractor for, it's got to be, I reckon it was the last rally before lockdown. So that's got to be 2019. So it's been stood for 4 years. And I wasn't really expecting anything very swift, to be honest, because we've hardly used it since we got it going. And so we got a chain on it and towed it. There was no way we were going to get a battery on it and start it, but because I thought it's going to take wind and wind and wind. So we towed it, and I would say 6 foot, and away she went. And it wasn't perfect by any means. I've got a little film here to show you of when it started. As usual, when you do these things spur of the moment, you forget all about filming. We could have, it could have been quite spectacular, but it could have been towing up and down the drive 20 times before we got it going. But anyway, so I'll show you the picture of when we got it out and got it to put some water in it and get going, and see what you think.
Down. I've covered that all up before, if I remember correctly. Yeah. That's all right. Yeah, so it's good. It's all started straight away, really. Right, we've got an injector pipe on this one. Missing, that's what the knock is, isn't it? Yeah. And this one's hit all area, everything's on it. A much better track than the P6, although I prefer the P6 engine. So it could be at the rally, you never know.
Right, so we could see what the problem was. But what we got to do was solve it, and the easy way was another injector pipe. Simple, wasn't it? But when I went and found one off of a diesel major, which similar length and didn't take much adjusting to do it, and we found that the knot on each end was different, and the one for the Perkins engine was bigger and just wouldn't fit. So oh, what are we going to do now? Because I knew I hadn't got any other injector pipes like that. And then I suddenly thought, actually, I've got another Perkins engine. I've got a Alice Chalmers with a P3 in it, which we've never done anything with. So Ian nipped off and with his spanners and came back with a pipe that was a similar size, and with a little bit of adjusting, we made it fit, and this was the result.
I think that's really good. That's the best we've already done. Give it a lot of clothes, isn't it?
So there she goes, full of confidence, goes for a run down the drive with it, and all good really. Didn't come back up quite as fast as I thought it might, but it's just hasn't been used for a long time. So anyway, have a look at it coming back up the drive, and that'll do.
So here she comes. You think there's a restriction in the airbox? So get it off tomorrow and give that a good clean out, and it'll be fine. We've got the air pipe slightly off at the moment to let it get enough air. Sweet enough. Put it in bottom gear, that'll hold it.
Should have been 10 foot up that way. There we go.
Could be Rally Staria.
Right, that's it. That's tractor's done for today, really. I'm now going to show you where we are with the rally, what we've been up to, and then Ian's here. He's actually arrived here today, so while I've been doing this. So we've got a few more things. Hope to get the standard Fords and Ayton driving today, so see what happens later on. But that will be on a different film to this one, because I'm trying to get this one out this morning. So over to the rally.
Oh no, I just sat back there. Enjoying life, I think.
We've had the 360 or big swing shovel machine there for a week. I've been playing with it when I get the chance, and then Nigel Cahart, brother of one of the Dancing Digger team, he's been over. He's a good 360 driver, and he's probably twice as fast at me as digging out as he. So he dug probably 2/3 of the road out, and I did the other third, and we got it all ready. Then I had a day this week putting stone in. I was having the lorries, we put 500 tons in and levelled it out, and then yesterday we had a day's break then to get it rolled in and tied it up a bit, because it was two 20-ton lorries. You think you'll keep up with those easy, but it took a bit of I didn't get behind, but I didn't have much time to stop for a cup of tea. And then yesterday we had blacktopping, or road planings, and we planed it all down, rolled it. There's a little bit of tidying up to do, but we've got a road in right around the site now, so I can breathe a bit easier. It doesn't matter if we don't want torrential rain, but if we get a shower, you know, we'll be able to get it out quite easily. So have a look at that and see what you think.
There we are, this hardcore road all the way around the site now. We've been here all day, 2 lorries pulling. We're out to the road, so we'll have tomorrow just tidy up and roll it down, and then we're going to put road planings on that. So shouldn't have any fear of rain this weekend, because now we're ready for it, it won't happen. Brilliant.
So that was hardcore in, and then last night when I'd finished, we just finished, and it just started to rain. It's only a shower, but nothing much. But anyway, I thought I'd do a drive through on the road, and I did it for Facebook really, but it's quite interesting. So this is a tour, really, a tour of the rally, where we are as of last night, and now Saturday morning, and we'll hit it again today, and we should do a lot more. So have a look what this is, and see you in a minute.
So here we are, new road in. Got it finished today, and we've even got a bit of rain laid on just to show how useful it's going to be. So this is coming down the side of the main ring field. This is the way the caravans will come down to the camping site. Only £20 for a weekend. They come down to here. And there's the camping field right in front of you. So good hard road in. We've got another load of planers to put on that earth, and then the road continues on around here. This is the working section field. Got the road all the way up here. Got a traffic jam here already, look. Almost got puddles there. So Land Rover test track to my left, and in front of us is where all the cars are. This is where we got to last night with the marquee erection. We're not planning to do anything this evening, but we will be here tomorrow. So in front of us, but still on the sides, is the model tent. And then where the forklift is, which you can't see at the moment, where the telehandler is, there's another marquee going there, which will be craft. The tent here on my left that's complete, that's a craft tent. Right in front of us is a pedestrian entrance. And then here's the big marquee, that's all ready to kit out tomorrow. And we'll get the bar in and get all the important things done. So that's how far we've got. At the moment it seems like we've got plenty of time. We're well in front of schedule, so got time to think about things and do it properly. This will all be trade stands coming out through here. Searchers is there next week. So you walk along here, there'll be food outlets on the left hand side, and then you come to this point, and then right in front of you through there, that's where the car boot sale is, the lawnmower racing and motorbikes and stationary engine. Anyway, that's it. We've got a little bit of tidying up to do, but the road is in. So this will be 2 lanes of traffic coming in. Got Dodgems there, they're all ready to be put up this weekend. We've got to do a bit of improvement on the exit
tomorrow, and I think that's about it, and we're up to date, so we can finally relax. Joke, isn't it? We're going to relax just before we do a 2.5 day rally, but anyway, all good. A lot of help last night putting the marquees up, and they realise what we're trying to achieve, so hopefully a good thing. So that's it, homeward bound. Okay, so that's it. The cleaners are coming to the office now and cleaning up, so I'm going to get inundated with vacuum cleaners and brushes, so I'm going to go. Don't forget the rally this weekend. There they are, come yapping away. Rally this weekend, we start Friday night, 6 o'clock. Got a really good group in. We've got tractor pulling under floodlights, and then during the day or Saturday, usual stuff going on. Johnny Carolan at night, great night. It's gonna, I've got a feeling it's gonna be a really good rally, so look forward to seeing you there. Don't forget, next weekend, 6 o'clock, 15th, got tractor pull under floodlights, plenty to see and do, and look forward to welcoming you.